Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on the Viofo T130 Dash Camera and some of the unique features that this dash camera has available. Now, this camera is available in 2-channel, front and interior format, or 3-channel, which is front, interior, and rear camera format. As you can see on my bench, I've got both boxes. The 2-channel version, which I've got physically out here, and then the 3-channel version, which is inside that box. The difference between the two cameras is the 3-channel version comes with that external rear camera that you can place in the back of the vehicle. You'll also notice I've got the HK4 and HK3C hardwire cables. These are accessory cables for parking mode. They do not come in either of these boxes, but I figured I would show you these cables to show you one key difference. I'll actually address that first. So these are both USB-C to 12 volt or 12 volt to USB standard cables. They have constant ignition and a ground input on the 12 volt side, and then essentially a USB-C output. The HK4 has this angled USB output. The HK3C has a straight port output, which I will just grab to show you here. So you'll see it just plugs straight in. The reason I wanted to show you that was because when you look at the the T130 and you look at its power input, you'll see it goes on the mounting bracket. So you could use either cable, but for cable maintenance, it would be much, much more prudent to use the HK4, which is what Viofo calls for you to use on this camera. Now, let's get into what comes in the box, and then I want to show you a really cool feature of this. So essentially, T130 comes with user guide, warranty paperwork, USB to micro SD card reader, comes with a handy installation plastic nylon panel puller, comes with a USB cable or USB-C to USB cable. Then it comes with this handy 12 volt charger. Essentially what this is for is if you just wanted to plug it into your 12 volt outlet, commonly known as a cigarette lighter port on your vehicle, you can do so. This is included with the package. But if you want to utilize the built-in parking mode circuitry, you've got to use the hardwire cable, in this case the HK4. If you really had to, you could go to an HK3C, but it's recommended that you go with the HK4. So what is the cool feature? Well, I didn't even realize that this camera had this feature until I opened it up and checked it in the box. So you're going to see, this is what faces out the front window. What's cool about this lens is it's adjustable, so you can see up and down. Obviously on the bracket, it's adjustable too. Check this out. This is the interior facing camera. So if you can imagine, this would be on your window like this. But look at what the interior camera can do. It can pivot to the side. Why is that important? Well, if you've ever been pulled over by law enforcement or, ever had an interaction with somebody like a road rage incident, you want to get them on camera. And most cameras that are this form factor, the interior lens is fixed, including, Blackview or any other manufacturers that make cameras. Their interior cameras are fixed. They can't be turned. This one's on a ball pivot, which is really cool because if you got pulled over, this is on your front window, and then you could literally just adjust this lens so it's pointing at your left window, your driver window, and you could record video interaction with law enforcement as well as audio because this has got a microphone built into it. And then when you're done with the interaction, you flip the camera back to face the interior. Also great for capturing, potential vandalism or anything like that. If you're in a parking lot, maybe you don't care about recording the interior, but you do care about recording the sides. You can pivot the lens to the left. Very, very cool. I think that's an awesome selling feature of this camera. I'm surprised that they don't make a bigger deal out of this, but hopefully you watch this video. If you're interested in the Viofo T130, you can buy it at Lockdown Security. I will have a link down below in the description where you can buy this camera. We will have a link to it, or you can purchase it, learn more about it. We sell both the 3-channel and the 2-channel version. We sell these Viofo accessories. We love the Viofo brand. It's a very high quality dash camera brand that come out with very unique cameras such as the T130. Please note this camera does not come with a memory card, so it is something that you'd have to purchase extra. We do sell memory cards in our store as well. And you can see a couple of different things. The rear channel would plug into the side there. You've got some buttons along here, record, microphone, Wi-Fi, and then your instant recording. Built-in GPS in the GPS antenna in the bracket, the mounting bracket. So you pretty much have all the features that you need. Perfect for anybody looking for example, if you drive for Uber or Lyft, you can have the interior camera for your rideshare passengers. But honestly, if I was choosing a dash camera for my own vehicle, I would go with the 3-channel version just to get this camera here. I call it the corrupt law enforcement camera. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video on the Viofo T130. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. We'll have all the details of who we are and where we are in the description below. Again, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.